Right. This one's a wee bit chaotic. Grok, the AI assistant from Elon Musk's XAI, has officially landed on Apple CarPlay, which means if you've got an iPhone and a car with CarPlay, you can now have full voice conversations with the famously unfiltered chatbot while driving, exciting or terrifying, depending on your commute. Here's what it does. The setup is simple. Update the Grok iPhone app, plug into CarPlay. The app shows up on your dashboard. From there, you can have hands-free voice conversations the same way you talk to Siri. Ask questions, get information, brainstorm ideas, or just have a chat. It's a proper conversation, not just one-shot commands. Here's where it gets less impressive. Unlike Tesla's deeper Grok integration, the CarPlay version is limited. You have to launch the app manually every time. There's no "Hey Grok, wake word." It can't control your climate or your navigation. It can't change the music. Basically a chat window with a microphone in your dashboard. The bigger picture, Apple opened CarPlay to third-party voice assistants this year. The AI companies piled in. ChatGPT got there first, then Gemini, then Claude, then Perplexity, now Grok. 5 AI assistants in the same sidebar, all fighting to be the one you actually tap when you're stuck in traffic. So what's Grok's pitch? Personality? Most AI assistants stay calm and neutral. Grok leans sarcastic, opinionated, and intentionally chaotic. Having an internet-style AI sitting in during a traffic jam could go either way. Available now in the Grok iPhone app, works with any car that has CarPlay, just don't expect it to replace Siri.